Welcome students. Let's study about the new topic, that is consumerism. So let's see what is exactly the consumerism is. So consumerism is the organized form of efforts from different individuals, groups, governments, and various related organizations, which helps to protect the consumer from unfair practices and to safeguard their rights. So after the industrial revolution, so many products started coming to the market. There were advertisement. So consumerism helps the customer or consumer in the way their rights should be safeguarded. They should be protected from pricing, unfair pricing, inferior goods, dangerous goods. They should be warned. They should be taught how to use the product. Giving education about the products. So that's what consumerism aims at. Now, looking at a modern movement for the protection of the consumers against useless, inferior, or dangerous products, misleading advertising, unfair pricings. So, day to day life, consumer face such problems. To protect them from these type of unfair things, consumerism has emerged. Now, obviously, consumer is regarded as the king in the modern marketing. In a marketing economy, the concept of consumer is given the highest priority, and every effort is made to encourage consumer satisfaction. That is the basic objective of any organization or any product selling, and even consumerism also. However, there are might be instances where consumers are generally ignored and sometimes they are being exploited as well. They might be exploited in a wrong way, misleading advertisements or fake advertisements, or something like you will become fair within 8 days, or you will lose your weight. So there are so many things which comes day to day life. To protect consumer from them, consumerism is working. Therefore, the consumers come together for protecting their individual interest. It is a peaceful and democratic movement for self-protection against their exploitation. So, consumer movement is also referred as consumerism. So, we have seen so many consumer movements. We will deal with that. So, moving further, what are the features of consumerism? If you look at first one, protection of rights. That is the basic rights required to the consumers, which helps in building business communities and institutions to protect their rights from unfair practices. And coming to the next point, that is prevention of malpractices. So obviously, this is again an unfair practices within the business community, and such as hoarding, adulteration, black marketing, profiteering, etc., not giving GST bill, not giving bill, reducing the, and fake milk, you can say adulteration in products, adulteration in the commodities. Okay, so these all comes with the malpractices. Unity among consumers, yes. Consumerism aims at creating knowledge and harmony among consumers and to take group measures on issues like consumer laws, supply of information about marketing malpractices, misleading and restrictive trade practices, which helps consumers to protect themselves. At the end, enforcing consumer rights, yes. Consumerism aims at applying the four basic rights of consumer, which are right to safety from the product or services, right to be informed about the product, how to use it, and education about the product, right to choose. There should not be any force of purchasing any product. The consumer should have right of his own choice and right to redress. If anything does not meet the expectation, then the consumer can go for redress of that purchases, goods or services. Now, what benefits of consumerism we get? That is obviously the consumer will be educated about all the whole the process. He will be educated about the product also. He will be educated about the his rights and duties also. Consumer groups can liaison between government and industry. So this helps to protect consumers from the unfair practices, product research and information to consumers. So how the product is researched and all the details about the information about goods and services to the consumer. Inculcate honesty, responsiveness, and responsibility onto manufacturers and marketers. So honesty plays an important role in the uh, business world. So responsiveness and responsibility to the man on manufacturers and marketers. Next comes move towards societal concept of marketing. So this helps to protecting consumer from unfair practices. With this, we will end today's topic. So thank you.